Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix error 522 connection timed out. Let's begin. First, open Command Prompt as administrator. In CMD window, run network reset commands. Copy commands as shown in the video and paste them into CMD. Press Enter after each command to execute them properly. These commands reset network configuration and clear issues causing the error. After completion, restart your computer to apply changes. Once restarted, system refreshes network settings automatically. Finally, check internet connection to see if error 522 connection timed out is resolved. This method fixes DNS or routing issues on Windows systems. If issue persists, try switching to a different network or restarting router device. Make sure your internet cable or Wi-Fi connection is stable throughout the process. For best results, only follow steps carefully. Always restart CMD as administrator if the error continues appearing again. So that's basically how you can fix error 522 connection timed out. That's it for this video. Thanks.